will show your logo so simple. Use logo carousel. First of all, you need to install Happy Add-ons for Elementor. You can choose logo carousel from Happy Add-ons Pro. There are different presets and I like it more than others, so I'm starting with this one. I'm putting my logos. I'm starting for customizing and you can watch my video to learn more. As I need a header, I'm using advanced heading. There are different presets. You can try every one that you like. I think this one is useful for me, so I am starting with this one.